We'll give you a little story. Normally people buy vehicles and they're buying because of the heart. Heart tells them, right? You're buying a car, you're thinking, oh, I like the car, it's fine. Like say for instance this one, right? It's black, it looks nice, you fall in love, you go home, then after 2-3 months you find out something's not right? And the point what I'm trying to say is, the reason why you want to check the car is for the price of the battery. So at least you will have a better understanding, a lot of information what you're buying, if there's everything in the car what is supposed to be in the car, if there's anything missing. Because if it's your eye, we know you're good, you can check the things, but we look at things what you're not looking at. And when you taken away, it could be a probably expensive surprise. Like on this, say for instance Range Rover, right? The battery is in a good. Battery costs probably about 220 pounds, and inspection costs on this Range Rover, standard inspection, 140 pounds, right? So by just saving a bit of money, if your battery is go wrong and where you couldn't negotiate a little bit of price and find out full information about the vehicle, what condition it is, if there any imminent repairs needs to be doing. If there is, you can allow the seller to negotiate the price, right? Like on this one, see, it is failing a test, so I'll do the light test to see if it confirms, because I'm doing the battery test from the jump points, right? And the readings could be slightly out, and so little thing, it's not staged, little things like that is, you know, the battery will fail. So by paying for the value where you're getting, all the pictures, the service where you're getting constantly updates from the CarExamer system, free information about the vehicle, the plate changes, the owner changes, that comes for free instantly when you're booking a vehicle, right? When you're booking the inspection, when you're booking a vehicle for the inspection, right? And that's just priceless, right? And then you find out for that price, for the battery price, even cheaper than for this vehicle, you get rough estimates of the repairs. We check for the full service history if the vehicle has full service history. We check for the both keys if they're actually working in the doors, right? We road test the vehicle for 15 minutes. We doing diagnostic tests twice before inspector sets for the road test and after the road test. So, and then you got all the pictures as well. And on this one you got audio feedback and talking to the inspector. And a premium, you got full body investigation, right? And you got video reports. So on our inspections, we can actually attach the any issues, what's wrong, we can attach to the picture to the job. So if the seats are worn slightly, it can be attached as additional kind of bonus, additional value for you. So you can just see it, visualize it, right? And then judge it for yourself whether you jumping into the car or making a sensible decision, right? So on this one, I'm gonna do the light check now, and by the time I'm gonna do the light check, if the battery will completely go flat, you know it's gonna need a new battery, right? So, and we don't charge you straight away, we only reserve the money for you, right, on your bank card. So you can always change and cancel the inspection unless it's 4 hours to the arrival time. Then slightly things are slightly changing, and it's just fair. No one else does it. No one else. We are the best company with the best value for the service what we're providing. Sometimes for for some of you might think that's expensive. I agree. But look at the value what you're getting. If the battery is faulty, you will pay just for the battery. And you will not know anything about the car. But paying us, saving money for price of the battery, all of the information about the vehicle, I think you just can't go wrong. Even you're buying something like that, you know, sometimes you just go, I had a vehicle today, and if even these things doesn't work, right, then you could be screwed, right? And or the door's not opening, right? Like I had a car before today, the customer already paid the money, paid the deposit, left passenger door, central locking doesn't work, it stays locked, you can't open it, not from inside, not from outside. So things like that, to repair it, you know, your inspection pays off well. That car needed timing belt replacement was due. You know, it's a priceless information. Not on every car you have huge savings of our inspection, but you will have a portfolio of information, the pictures, the information, the confidence. The car is in a condition you expect it to be, and in a condition as it is advertised, right? A clean or good vehicle with both keys, with the full service history. If it's not full service history, at least servicing done, a reasonable condition, sensible condition, and ask the professional, ask for help. Just don't rush into decision. Don't rush buying a car. Think once, think twice, think 3 times. Look at those vehicles. If you can't make your mind, just ask for help. CarExamer.com. Thanks for watching. Take care.